Hey everyone, feeling limited on Big Cartel? Let's move your store to Shopify in just a few steps. First of all, head to shopify.com and set your free trial, pick a theme, and add your logo and set up the basics. Now go to your Big Cartel dashboard, click Products, and export them as a CSV file. In Shopify, go to Products and choose Import. Then upload the CSV file you downloaded, and boom, your products are in. Shopify doesn't grab your images or custom pages automatically, so upload them manually and recreate your about or contact pages. If you have a custom domain, update your DNS settings to point to Shopify or buy one directly in Shopify. That's it. You are now on Shopify with more tools, better checkout, and way more control. Follow for more e-commerce tips. Thanks for watching.